Hello everyone, this is Abhisha Sharma and it's my pleasure to welcome you all to the next segment of RMPS Chronicles. Today we are thrilled to get to know the brilliant team who kept us entertained throughout our 11th annual day celebration. Please join me in welcoming our brilliant anchors of annual day who have done an amazing job of hosting the event with unmatched energy, enthusiasm and charm. To start, let's have everyone introduce themselves first.
Hello everyone, I am Gavin Pandita from class 11th non-medical.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine Kaur from class 11th. Hello everyone, I'm Soni Verma from class 11th Humanities.
Hello everyone, I'm Akshya of class 7.
Here is Piyush of class 7.
Hello everyone, I'm Martin from class 11.
Thank you everybody for introducing yourselves. So, my first question is for Madhvin. What do you think is the significance of celebrating annual day in schools?
Thank you for asking me the question, Abhisha. I feel as if annual day is not just a day, but rather a celebration that cherishes our pride, our traditions, and all the things in between. I feel as if it's also a way for children to express their creativity, also tell other people about themes that they find very important. Like we see that this year our theme was Arangam, which was mainly focused around India and its various parts and the traditions that surround them. I feel as if the children were able to very nicely encapsulate those traditions and also their heritages. And I think we created a very good display of 3 hours that showed everyone our creativities and talents very well. So I feel as if annual day really helps the children to express these emotions, express these feelings to other people, especially their parents. Thank you.
Now I would like to ask Jasmine. So Jasmine, what traditions or values do you think annual day promotes?
Thank you Abhisha for asking me the question. So the values and traditions I think our annual day promotes is unity and diversity. As we all know that this year our annual day theme was Arangam. So this theme promotes the diverse culture of India, the rich heritage which our India has. This culture combines together many art forms, the folk arts, theatre, dance performance of different cultures. Thank you.
So Tumi, tell me, what was your favorite part of the annual day?
Thank you, Hamisha, for asking me the question. As we know, our annual day, the whole was a superb event. It is very difficult to choose a particular thing that was my favorite part. But as per my opinion, my favorite part in the whole annual event was the play performed by our brilliant students of RMPS that was based on the theme of transgender. As we all know, the transgender community, which is being discriminated in our society and is not accepted. The characters were so appreciable.
I absolutely